So let's dive straight into laying these pipes. Having newly disturbed the soil, this bank is in dire risk of washing away in a heavy downpour of rain. Starting with the lower pipe, Dad got straight onto digging a trench with a 5 metre length. This pipe will carry the water under the new access road we built last week, so if you haven't seen the episode, make sure to go back and check that out. This new pipe will be carrying the water into the existing concrete pit.
Where would you like to? I'm thinking it's more important this being wider than that. I think. Let's see what it looks like. Run off there.
So we are back again with stage 2 of the pipe, and Dad is just clearing some of the green waste behind me, and we're going to get onto laying this pipe. So we're going to lay it across here diagonally, just so it reaches the shortest span, because that's where the water kind of comes down through the bush. So we're hoping to kind of collect it right behind where that big pile of green waste is, and then have it come right down in this little channel, all the way down into our pit where it meets the pipe that we put in last time. So we've got it nice and flat now, and Dad is just starting to dig the pipe. So I've laid the pipe out across here and putting the pipe in the shortest kind of crossing distance. So Dad had come up with the idea of maybe placing or building a bit of a dam uphill a bit, so we can build that in the future, have a little kind of side creek down, and then it can collect in the top of this pipe. So he's just digging it out now, and then after maybe a coffee we will lay that pipe. So we found a golf ball, how random. Are you getting rocked or? Here come our headwall rocks. So now that the pipe's in, we are, well, Dad is just digging a little bit of a drain, just because up there, kind of behind the bucket of the excavator, is where a lot of the water comes from. So we just want to kind of divert it down now through a bit of a kind of spoon drain. This is a bit big at the moment. We were talking about making it smaller and pushing it up a little bit more, but just so it's diverted into this pipe. And as you can see, it's only 150mm pipe. It's not a massive pipe, so the drain does not need to be that big. If that much water came down, that pipe will not be capturing it. But yeah, it's more so for the 99 or 95% kind of times it rains, it'll just capture that little bit of water. I'm pretty happy with my head wall. I think that's good enough with those small rocks, just the ones that I could find. So for a little bit of, I guess, understanding where everything is, right here behind me is the pipe that we've just laid, right under there. And then just over here to the right is the other pipe that we have laid. That was a couple of weeks ago. You can see my beautiful head wall right there, and that just goes under. So that's just our access track to this area, and it goes just right over here. You can see like our mini kind of little pit right in there. We've still got to kind of build out and dig a bit of a, there is remnants of kind of an old spoon drain like just over there. But yeah, we need to work on that a little bit. But we are coming into a drought, so this isn't, I guess, as important. Yeah, there's that up there, just fixing that little kind of spoon drain up. And then all of this falls, so the pipe we've just put in falls down this little kind of spoon drain area, and it comes into this original pit here where there's two 150mm pipes that go right under this kind of road area and down into the creek all the way down there. All right, that size spoon drain looks much, much better. There's our little kookaburra friend again. He loves to just sit up there and wait out for the worms.
Put the mounds out and place the big rocks there.
Yeah.
It'd look better, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it looks really good though.
Yeah.
You flattened all.
Your idea was good to run that further up.
Yeah, just so there's some more space here.
And that width's plenty, isn't it?
Yeah. This looks good for the water to come down. Oh, and up there too, you've dug up there, that's good.
Just a little bit, just to help.
Just to get the water down to that pipe. So that's about it for today. I'm very happy with these drains. And yeah, thanks for watching, and tune in next time for some work on these trails.